In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get veedio Premium in just 5 minutes. So whether you're a content creator looking to elevate your video editing capabilities or someone eager to explore advanced features, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into the process. First things first, head over to veed.io. Once the site has loaded, go ahead and log into your account. This is a crucial step because all the billing and plan options are tailored to your specific account settings, ensuring a personalized experience. If you don't already have an account, simply sign up and create one. It's a straightforward process, and once you're logged in, you'll see your workspace interface. Now that you're logged in, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen where your workspace name is displayed. Click on your workspace name. Doing this will open up a drop-down menu, which is where we'll navigate to the section we need. From the drop-down menu, locate and click on Workspace Billing. This is where you'll manage all things related to your subscription and payment plans. It's the hub for upgrading, handling invoices, and ensuring your account is in good standing. Once you're in the billing section, look for the option labeled Upgrade or something similar. This button will direct you to a page displaying the variety of plans Veed.io has on offer. Each plan comes with its own set of features and benefits, designed to cater to different user needs. Now comes the exciting part. Choosing the plan that suits you best. Veed.io offers both monthly and yearly plans, providing flexibility based on your preference or budget. Take a moment to review what each plan includes. Whether you need higher quality exports, watermark removal, or those advanced editing features, you're sure to find an option that aligns with your needs. After selecting your preferred plan, proceed to fill in your payment details. Veed.io typically accepts various payment methods, including credit cards, making it convenient for users worldwide. Take your time to enter the information accurately and review everything before confirming your choice. Once that's done, just hit confirm. And there you have it. Your account is now upgraded to premium status. With this new status, you'll unlock higher quality exports, say goodbye to watermarks, and welcome a host of other advanced editing features ready to enhance your creative projects. I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating you through the process of upgrading to Veed.io Premium. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and happy editing on your shiny, new Veed.io Premium account.